Today we're at the Taste of Cincinnati, which is a big festival they have down here every year. And they have all the local breweries and food places. It is a great time to test out what places have what. Alright, so this weekend we're at Nate and Evan's lake house down here on Williamstown Lake, and we're going to do some boating and tubing. And Jake is up here from Nashville, so he's going to be hanging out with us.
I would say he was wearing it, so it might be a little snug. Yeah. Yeah, like my kayak's way bigger than fucking those. Yeah. Those are tiny. You got it. No shit, dude. Oh my god! Are you serious? What do you think? Is it okay?
You're gonna have to get up soon. Where are we going? That's something, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. Try not to make a mess in their bed.
Oh, yeah, no, dude, for sure.
Yeah.
He let us come this close. That was cool.
Dude, that was wild. What?
So today we are back at a job that we did last year. They have a really bad problem with birds nesting up in their fascia, like the trim. There's like a vinyl trim that goes around their house, and it doesn't sit flush with the house because some of it is over brick and others are over stone. So with the variation of like peaks and valleys of the stone and of the brick, you can't lay it flat. So the birds are getting up in there. So much so that they're actually in their attic. So we put some,
What?
what did we put up there?
Pack rod.
Pack rod, that's what it is. And of course they tore it all out. So today we're here to put some spray foam up in there. And we ordered black spray foam to go with their trim, and we're hoping that that stays. So.
I filled it with pack rod, and the birds just took it all out. Got it.
Got me. You got it?
Yeah.
We didn't have the 5-in-1 at the Hardesties, did we?
The where?
The last job in Ohio.
No.
I wonder if it's in the Yukon then, from when I used it up the last project by myself.
The bird's in this right now.
Do you think it would come out, like if you...
No, but I do know it will die.
That's mean. I can hear him.
Yeah.
Did he get out?
No.
I mean, he's gonna probably try for his life to get out.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get it out. Before I have to get too sad.
Me?
This is what we're dealing with right now. There's one rain cloud in the entire state of Kentucky, and it's above us.
I think we just finished. On to the next one. We have 3 consultations today. Luckily the rain held off for as long as it could.
It wasn't even supposed to rain.
Yes it was. It called for over 60%.
Not at this time, not until 3.
Not until 3.
Yeah, and it was.
But it was still like 50% for 2. We did good. It looks good.